Grab your favourite mug because we're diving into the shocking truth behind your morning pick-me-up. Coffee! We discover the real cost of your daily caffeine fix, and you won't believe it. Coffee, that liquid gold that transforms us from zombies into semi-functional humans every morning. For many of us, it's the elixir of life. But the cost of your morning grande latte is reaching levels that's making us question whether we're buying a coffee or a ticket to the moon. Inflation's hitting us harder than a caffeine crash, and one casualty might just be your precious caffeine fix. Now I hear you screaming, "Don't take my coffee away, Alex." But before you defend your quad grande non-fat extra hot caramel macchiato like it's a national treasure, let me drop a financial bomb that will blow your mind. Ever wondered how much that daily coffee order's really costing you? Let's do some mathematics, shall we? So your daily grande at $3.65 over a year, that's $1,332. If you're, let's say, 22 and plan to keep up this daily coffee habit until you're 90, well, brace yourself, because that's a whopping $90,576 that you could use for something other than a caffeine buzz. But wait, this story gets even bigger. What if I told you there's a way to turn those coffee savings into a fortune? Yes, a fortune! Stay tuned to the end as we check in with Simon, our resident stock market oracle, to see how ditching that coffee habit can make you a millionaire. So where do you stash all that spare coffee cash to create generational wealth? Not under the mattress, no. How about the bank? Well, at a modest 5% interest rate, in 68 years, you'd be swimming in $830,819.63. And in the bank, your money's cosier than a cat on a winter's day. But hold on to your glass of water, because I'm about to show you how you can do even better. But just quickly, if you're thinking of diving into the glamorous world of investing, Robinhood's your best buddy. They've made it so easy, it's like the financial equivalent of a microwave dinner. Pop it in, press a few buttons and boom, you're in the investing game. And the best part, it's commission free. No sneaky costs hiding in the shadows. Whether you're into stocks, ETFs, or even those wild and woolly cryptocurrencies, Robinhood's got your back. And they even throw in some educational goodies to make sure you're not just blindly throwing darts at the stock board. So sign up for Robinhood and make those dreams of financial glory come true, all while sipping coffee in your pyjamas. Links in the notes below. Now, if you thought $830,819.63 was a good trade for sacrificing your daily latte, what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. But this is the part of the show where we pause for a moment to give you time to hit that subscribe button down there. If not for me, then do it for Simon. He's been promised a very special purple carrot if we get to 1,000 subs. What if we threw all that spare coffee cash into the S&P 500? Since its inception in 1957, this stock market index, including dividends, has returned an average 11.67% per year. Sure, there have been the inevitable booms and crashes, but this stock market index always bounces back in the long term. Wars, the GFC, 9/11, pandemics. Things get scary for a little while, but it just keeps on growing to record highs in the long run. At 11.67% per year, in 10 years, your coffee savings would be worth $31,028.30. In 20 years, when you reach the age of 42, you'd be sitting on $126,405.14. But by the time you're 90, that $830,000 you get from the bank would instead be worth a staggering $37,468,311.46. Almost 37.5 million. That's enough to buy all the coffee shops in town and still have change. Your latte isn't just a cup of coffee, it's a ticket to financial freedom. Who knew skipping a daily coffee could make you a multi-millionaire? It's the combined magic of compound interest, a decent rate of return, and decades of time. Now, the average life expectancy of tortoises is anything between 80 and 150 years. Some even live up to 250 years. Simon, what do you think? Will you be sacrificing your daily Frappuccino from now on?